The round steel hot rolling steel ball equipment is an automated full process system suitable for steel ball production. Steel balls ranging in diameter from 22 to 0 Firstly, the round steel bar is heated to 850 to 1100 degrees Celsius, and then formed in the spiral hole of the main rolling mill. The formed steel ball is automatically transferred to quenching for rapid cooling to ensure its wear resistance. The final product is cooled and stored after tempering treatment. The entire process realizes automated temperature control management to ensure the stability and hardness of the steel ball quality.